Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today I just want to show you a quick way of changing picture on your desktop in less than 2 minutes. To do this is very simple. So you will just need to go to the Apple icon on top of your left screen, and then you will find the system preference. So a window will open with a bunch of things. Where you need to go is to the desktop and the screensaver. Once you click on it, it will take you to the desktop and screensaver settings. Once you're there, you'll find out that the picture you have on your screen is the same picture you have on the little box. So what you need to do is go down to where picture appears, and if you click on it and find out it's not the same picture that you're intending to put on your screen, then you need to look below the window. There's a cross and minus. You would have to click on the cross, and the Finder window will open up. You click on Documents, search for the folder where the picture is. Once you find it, you select it, and you click on Change. Then the desktop and the screensaver will be changed to the picture you just selected. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thanks to my subscribers. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also like and share this video. Give it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed it and it was useful to you. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Bye.